Boom! You know, sir, you're about to go do like a Madman prank. You see my part 4. We don't do the 1 or the 2 or the 3 already. So the part 4. So please check in for the rest of them from my YouTube channel. So I'm going to take so long to post content because I just go through some things, you see me. So you know, anytime I alone and some little things are reach, you see me. So I keep up look at my time. So yeah, I'm ready back for now again. So please share, please subscribe, and please watch. I enjoy the laugh. And if you love it, if you want more the phone. So yeah. More.
Biggie, run out on them.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
People like I'm telling you, sorry for the long wait, you see me, sorry for the delay. Like I say, I like when I enjoy the Madman prank part 4 there. It was powerful. The Queen's girl, them go at it, you see me? And the Bridgeport pitney them, yeah, then give me a little strength. Them move, them run, them scream, them enjoy it. And them been away upon the video, you see me? Like them say, because when Madman part 4 there, when I drop it, and but I really want to merge 2 schools together, you see me? And you see me try to get a good feedback. So I like when I enjoy it, when I laugh, when I piece up, when I sell, when I say, yo, I'm not to stop, you see me, to keep on, put up the good content them, and I put up some serious prank, you know, so people please remember to subscribe, you see me, turn on the notification bell, and share it up, screen record it, post it out there. You see me, you can follow me Instagram to come, remember I'm a photographer and you can book on a photo shoot, and people please remember that 8th of December my birthday, so look out for enough hard work will come out, enough collab, enough famous people are going to see back on the channel again. Kuya! The bad mind can't stop you, you see that?